Behind me on the bench is the Fysetc Voron 0.2 that I recently built for a video, and I'm going to be giving it away. I'm teaming up with folks at the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation and E3D, makers of high-quality hot ends known across the 3D printing industry, to give away that 3D printer, a Voron 0.2 with my own custom touches at Sanjay Mortimer RepRap Festival 2023, SMRRF. Normally I only do free giveaways, but this is going to be a raffle. Now, bear with me here, this is for charity, namely to support the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, which has the goal of supporting the education and further advancement of neurodiverse people through engineering and making, a topic very near and dear to my own neurodiverse heart. Now, in full transparency, this machine's not in its final form yet. It currently has a weird hot end that Fysetc put into the kit, but it will have a Revo Voron when it's given away with a high-flow nozzle in it. E3D shipped me the Revo Voron to put into this machine, and unfortunately it is Thanksgiving week and shipping is currently an issue. I still don't have the parts, and I am at the deadline of when I need to ship this machine off to the UK to get it there in a timely manner, so I'm going to have to be building it at the show, exactly what I didn't want to have to do. So if you come to SMRRF, you may be able to see me installing a new hot end and tuning this machine in live at the show. There is one more thing I want to do to this before I ship it off though. I have a CO2 laser, this has acrylic panels, we need to make some stuff happen. I loaded up a handful of the panels into the X-Tool P2 CO2 laser and got to work on engraving, scoring, and cutting them out. To commemorate the inaugural SMRRF event, I put the logo on the door of the machine. To memorialize Sanjay, I put his bust logo on the side, and then I cut out the E3D logo and some hexagons, because they're bestigons, on the back for ventilation. I zip-tied the belts in place so the tool head won't move. I packed the inside of the machine with airbags. I took the spool holder off, then wrapped it in bubble wrap. Then I wrapped that in a drape that I'm going to use for the table at the show. It's literally a curtain, but it's what I use for a table drape at shows. It's like a velvety black, because, you know, goths. And I jam-packed this thing full of foam that I robbed out of other 3D printer boxes, a healthy dose of packing tape later, and this thing is ready to be shipped off to the UK. I packed in my banner and various things that I want to take to the show, but I don't want to pack in a bag. I'm trying to fly without checking a bag, because that's so expensive these days. And this trip is already not cheap, because it is entirely unsponsored. And I'm giving away a machine. But seriously, it's all for charity, and it's going to be a really good time, I believe. So if you can make it, I would love to see you folks at SMRRF 2023, the inaugural event. It's going to be at Oxford University. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. Oxford, England, in one of the lecture halls of Oxford University. We're going to have RepRap projects, custom-built 3D printers, all kinds of stuff there that I'm really excited about. And a bunch of people I haven't had a chance to meet from around the world are going to be there too. And of course, if you want a chance to win this machine and help a good cause, well, you'll have to be at that show to pick it up. Have the chance to pick it up. I'm tired and I've got a lot more to do before I leave next week. See you folks later, and good luck to whoever shows up to SMRRF 2023 and wins this machine. Wait, one more thing. I forgot I wanted to put an Apple AirTag in this thing, so let's do that. Perfect. Now I can go ship this thing out. Hopefully it leaves today, because... Oh, and now the video is actually done. See you folks at SMRRF.